The top three things that I hear from clients that they care about the most are communication, the manner of the explanation, and compassion. The fact that they have had lawyers in the past and those lawyers don't return messages. The fact that when come into this office and Jezic and Moyse hands you your cell phone, you call the lawyer returns your messages. We prefer you text the lawyer directly. I get calls all hours of the night, but clients who are shocked at the fact that I'm returning messages at 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. The fact that the case may be dragging on for months at a time, there may not be something to talk about, but that the lawyer's checking in to make sure that they don't feel like they've been abandoned. These cases are the most stressful thing that they've ever dealt with in their life, and they want to know that their hard-earned money is being put to work. We give people our cell phones, and it matters. The manner of the explanation is extremely important. In the last 24 hours, 2 different people who came in here, potential clients, they had already spoken to other lawyers, and they asked me, one was a simple DUI case, the complicated, long explanation about how the MVA works, how court works, all the different ramifications, and I broke it down in a simple and understandable way, and they sighed relief because they spoke to 2 or 3 other lawyers and none of the lawyers explained it in a way that they understood. They went out of that meeting with these other lawyers more confused than when they started, and they came in and I explained it to them in the way I always explain it to people, in a way that they can understand, and they just were extremely appreciative. And then right after that there was a very serious felony case, and it was the same thing. This is something that the family's never been involved in before. They don't understand. They don't understand in Maryland we have this 2-tiered jurisdiction, district court, circuit court, all these different pieces. This case is going to drag on for 6 months, 7 months, and there's going to be a lot of things going on. They also were shocked at how they have already spoken to other lawyers and they didn't understand what I just told them, which to me is step number 1. The manner of the explanation, it can be a very difficult legal concept, but you need the family and the client to understand what it is that we're doing. And on top of that is just the compassion that they see from their lawyer and the enthusiasm and the reason why I do this, because I'm a criminal defense attorney. I've been doing this for 15 years, and I wake up every morning motivated and inspired because I know I'm helping somebody in the worst moment of their life, and I go in and I love what I do. Love what I do, not because it's something that the rest of the court likes, because prosecutors who don't like the defense attorney, police who are trying to keep my client in jail. Love what I do, and I sleep like a baby.